Alright, we're going to take a little cruise in a 1969 Chevy El Camino. This is from our little project series at California Cars. Every once in a while we get a car that needs to be fixed up and we can ask less money. But they're runners and drivers and a father-son project, whatever. This belonged to a local lady. She had it for a long time. Her and her husband, they were thinking about fixing it up, and 15 years later, still haven't fixed it up. So, we got it. We did a couple things to it. It's got some rally wheels on it with some raised white letter BF Goodrich TA radials. We cleaned up the interior a little bit. It still needs a few things. It's got a cracked dash. It's got an old cassette player. There's always things you can do to fix them up a little bit more, and that stuff's not that expensive. Paint's old and faded. It's got some rust here and there that needs to be fixed. It's a California car, but it's got some. But you'll see in the pictures that we show shortly. But the good part is it's just a V8 307, original engine, matching numbers, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. So if you're going to fix one up, this one's already got some of the good features that you usually add. But it drives okay. Yeah, runs strong, drives decent. And you can just carry the torch. It's got drum brakes on it right now. They seem to work well, but you can always add the disc brake update up front. But El Caminos are cool. You can use them to throw your surfboard in the back, your bicycle, you name it. You can use it for a lot of different projects, Home Depot runs, but it's still a classic car, and you can make a hot rod out of it as well. All right, coming up to our picture spot. Here's a little project for you. 1969 Chevy El Camino. Got a matching number 307, automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air, actually works. Needs paint, needs some body work, it's got a little rust here and there, but not bad for a project car. Cruise around, it's got some rally wheels on it with the raised white letter BFGs on there. Dual exhaust. Interior just black vinyl. Old AM FM cassette there. Obviously you could change that out. Headliner's in pretty good shape. Maybe it's seat cover, dial you right in. Pretty straight though overall. You can make an SS tribute out of it if you want. They make the double hump steel hoods. A few new things on it. It's got a new grille. A few pieces of chrome that are new. Surroundings around the window. Carpet's in pretty good shape. Some new sill plates there. Not bad. I've seen worse. But overall, a good little project for somebody to, father and son project possibly. Here's the power plant in the 1969 El Camino. It's got a 307 as I mentioned before, 2-barrel carburetor, factory air conditioning. It does not have power brakes. I thought it had power, but it's got dual reservoir drum brakes. A little correction to my ad. Factory power steering. Just an honest old car. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Runs pretty good. Just an old 307. Probably got 100K on it. You can put a crate motor in it if you want. But for now, it runs and drives. Doesn't run hot. Runs cool. Get on the freeway with it. Use it as a little toy hauler if you want. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see me or Gary out here at California Cars. My name's Rich. Address 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. We'll be happy to give you a tour of this car and the rest of the cars that we have. Thanks for watching.